If you want X results like these, you better watch this video. In this video, we're going to discuss X. This video is going to be a whole walkthrough of the following topics: conversion, how to target high LTV subs, and actually mastering the algorithm. But firstly, we actually need to understand what X is. X is mainly used for news, politics, and 18+ content. It has a monthly active user base of about 600 million people, and it typically cultivates high LTV fans. So why should we even use X in the first place? It's a super good way to target the crypto nerds, the businessmen, the politicians. We don't actually have to use high quality content in order for us to go viral. And we can also utilize trends such as the grok trend to help us generate millions of impressions, which is insane, right? So let's actually dive into the algorithm and see how it actually works. The X algorithm is completely different to Instagram and TikTok. It just simply doesn't favor things such as retention and watch time. This means that it favors engagement, shareable content, viral trends, and controversy. When you first initially get a viral tweet, you'll have a super high influx of subs for the first 48 hours, and then the post will often fade out from there. A tweet's virality is dictated through actually clicking onto the tweet, engaging with it, such as liking, commenting, sharing, and retweeting. So that's why when you see a trend such as the grok trend in the past, that's why it's performed so well, because it's got such heavy engagement as it's the talk right now. So when it comes to actually leveraging the Twitter algorithm, we want to make sure that we're actually posting once to 5 times per day. We want to be spending time ideating for captions. We want to make sure that we've got post notifications on for top performing creators as inspo for your own tweets. We want to make sure that we're actually setting aside a time to actually ideate for the copywriting, because that is actually what moves the needle on this algorithm. So for example, if we had a Latina creator, we could say Latina genetics go hard, or Latinas for the win, because we're not forcing it. We're just describing the content and the actual slang of what people use on that platform. There are several different ways that we can actually utilize tweets, one of which is a quote tweet. This is basically where we're utilizing somebody else's viral tweet and we're just applying it and tailoring it to our own tweet and model. So this often comes with super high impressions. However, it can create a sense of vanity, not sanity, purely because a lot of the audience on that tweet are coming from the other creator. Another type of tweet would be just a comment-based tweet. So this is where there's no actual content included and it's just focused on the copywriting. This is easy for it to go viral. However, there's no content to actually incentivize the viewer to action or subscribe. So realistically, feed posts are the best bet really, because they're still super easy to go viral and we're utilizing our own followers who will more so actively engage with our content to help distribute this to the non-followers. It's literally just a volume game. You've just got to trial and error 100 different pieces of content, 100 different captions. You see what works and you double down on it. It's really that easy. So something else to think about is safer work Twitter versus not safer work Twitter. With safer work Twitter, you've got no cap on how much reach you can get, you've got no in-app SEO penalties, and it's just easier to grow as a whole. Whereas not safer work Twitter, you've got very limited reach, you're reliant on retweets, and you've got to be posting super high quality content in order for you to actually grow. So now for the most important part, conversion to the OnlyFans. It typically converts less than Instagram and Reddit, although it's way easier to go viral. We have a very short-term influx of subs, and then these posts die off after a lifespan of 48 hours, and it actually cultivates super high LTV subs like Reddit because it's got such strong demographics. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, and if you want specialized one-to-one help for you or your creators, make sure to just reach out to me in the Telegram group below.